With AI Convert, you can turn static floor plans into fully editable RoomSketcher floor plans instantly. To get started, go to app.roomsketcher.com and sign in. I'm showing this on a desktop, but the steps are almost the same on a phone or tablet. Here I can see I have one free AI Convert, so I'll use that today. To upload a plan, choose New Project and then Upload Plan. You can upload JPEGs, PNGs, and PDFs. Here's my plan. I'll select it and click Open. If your plan is slightly crooked, click Straighten, and our AI agent will straighten the plan. You can also rotate it and crop out any extra space. Just drag the handles and click Crop. When everything looks good, click Done. Now we'll scale the floor plan. Drag the scale bar along a wall with a known measurement and click Set Length. I'm working in feet and inches. Would you like to use metric or just inches? Click here to adjust your units. I'll set my length in feet and inches and click Done. And now I'm ready to start AI Convert. Click Continue here, then review these settings and click Convert. Here you can see a preview of the result. Click Blueprint to see the original. Click Mix to compare the blueprint and the converted floor plan, and click 2D to see the new editable floor plan. Please take a second to rate the conversion, as this helps us improve. Then click Save. Type a project name and choose a floor name, then click Save. Your floor plan is now fully editable. From here, you can click New Floor to add another floor to the project, click Edit Floor to open the project in the RoomSketcher app on your PC, Mac, or tablet. And if you want to download and print your finished floor plans, first generate them and then download them to your device and print. That's all there is to it. For more videos and tutorials, go to RoomSketcher.com.